Wow, St. Thomas is pretty lit. Well, good morning everybody. Today is Harmony of the Seas, day number 4. Today we are in St. Thomas. The time right now is actually currently 11 o'clock, and we're making our approach to St. Thomas because we don't dock until 12:30, and so let's go do the approach. The time is currently about 1 o'clock, and we pulled in about like 12:45, but I just rode the Flowrider, no line. It was amazing. Anyway, we're gonna head to the Windjammer for a bite to eat. Okay, well, I had lunch earlier at Sorrento's, so now I'm gonna go get some dessert. So let's go find the dessert. Okay, everyone, we just had actually about the Windjammer again. I really did enjoy it. I did think Royal Caribbean had a step up on the Windjammer game, having hard ice cream there at the Windjammer. I enjoyed it. I truly think this is a better cruising experience when you get hard ice cream at the Windjammer. Yo, what's up everybody? It is that time. It's nighttime and it is Flowrider night. That's right, the floor is open from 6 until 9 and 10 o'clock actually. We're gonna go ride it. Let's do it. Okay, everyone, it is now time for our sail away from St. Thomas. Well, everyone, I just did the Flowrider for a couple of hours, and that was very fun. Again, team session actually today was super packed. It was just insane. I mean, I only got a real once because how packed it was, but the other session, the 6 till 8 session, was empty. Anyway, hopefully you did enjoy this Harmony of the Seas St. Thomas today. Hopefully you did enjoy it.